Hi children, good morning. Listen children, in this link we are going to see the computer new lesson number 3, lesson 3. Okay, so everyone take out your course book, computer course book. Lesson number 3, page number 27. See, what is the lesson name? Basic etiquette. Basic etiquette. So, etiquette means what? It is a set of rules to behave ourselves, how we have to behave in such a situations. Okay children? Yes. Now, keep your finger and follow me. Okay. Yes, what is the lesson name? Lesson 3, basic etiquette. Okay. Now listen, keep your finger here. You will learn. So, what we are going to learn from this lesson? See here. Etiquette and its needs. Etiquette in different situations. How to practice etiquette. Okay children? Yes. Now listen. Etiquette means what? Etiquette refers to a set of rules that help people model their behavior. So it will be useful to improve our behavior in such a situation, how we have to behave in a proper way. That etiquette will teach for us. Okay children? Yes. Now listen. Needs for etiquette in school. In school, what are the etiquette needed? Okay, that we are going to see here. See, school age etiquette is usually more basic. Children have to master a certain set of etiquette rules in order to behave properly and do well at school. Okay children, in school, if we take one example as one student, how he have to behave in the school, inside the classroom, in the playground, and then while going in the school transport, how he have to behave. That is the needs for etiquette in school. In school, what are the etiquettes is needed? That we are going to see one by one. Okay. Now see, etiquette in different situations. In different situations, what are the etiquettes are there? See, in classroom, and then about uniforms, respect and cooperation to others, playground, and then transport. See here, down pictures are there inside the classroom and in the transport. Now, come to the next page, page number 28. First, in the classroom, what is given? In the page number 28, we are able to see three things. Classroom, uniform, respect your elders. Okay, first we are going to see about the classroom. See here, classroom. Okay, now see what is given in the classroom. You are a student now. You are a student. You go to school and sit in a classroom to learn. Why we are going to school? We are going to school and sit in a classroom to learn. And then it is your right and the right of other students too. For everyone in the classroom, why they are going to the school? To learn. Okay. Your teacher needs your cooperation in order to help you and the other kids to learn well. Teacher needs. What teacher needs from the student? Teacher needs from the student is cooperation. Then only teacher is able to teach for you as well as for the other students also. If you are not cooperating, for teacher it will be very difficult to teach for the students and other students. So, what is very important in the classroom? Cooperation is very, very important. Okay, now see next. You should follow certain etiquette in the classroom. So, for the cooperation we have to follow some rules inside the classroom. So, what are all the rules? Now, we are going to see that one by one. See, what is the first one? Be on time for class. So, on time we have to reach the school. Don't go late. Okay, next one. Don't be noisy or disturb the class. We should not disturb the class by talking to the others. We have to make silence. Next. Pick up your own litter. Whatever things we are needed, we have to take and we have to go. We should not ask to the others. Okay, next. Pay attention to your teacher and do what you are asking. Okay, what they are telling, we have to listen and we have to follow them. Okay. When the teacher is talking, don't talk or back. Whenever is teacher talking, we have to listen her. Okay, that time we should not talk with others. Okay, when teacher is turning that side, we should not talk standing back side of her. Okay, these are all bad habits. Next, cooperate with other kids. Don't fight with anyone and don't push or pull anyone. In the classroom, we should not push or pull other students. And also, we have to cooperate with other kids. We should not fight with others. Okay, these are all the things we have to follow in the classroom. One more point is, don't snatch or steal anything from anyone. Okay, we should not steal the other things. Okay, next, these are all the rules we have to follow in the classroom. Next, uniform. Wear your uniform with pride and walk tall. So what we have to do? We have to wear the uniform and we have to think ourselves pride and we have to walk tall. Okay, next. If there is no uniform, abide by the school's dress code. We have to follow the school dress code. Okay. Then don't dress in a sloppy manner. We have to cleanly wash and iron. Then only we have to wear the uniform. Then you are a representative of the school. Give a good account of yourself. We are all one representative for the school. So we have to create a good manner for our school. Okay. We should not spoil our school manners. Okay. Next. Respect your elders. Okay. What we have to give for our elders? We have to respect our elders. Okay. We have to give respect. Who are all the elders? According to our age, who are all above our age, they are all called elders. Okay. So we have to give respect for them. Okay. Always be respectful to your teachers, principals, ayats and other non-teaching staffs also in a school, to whom we have to give respect. Teachers, principals, ayahs and other non-teaching staff also. What we have to give? We have to give respect. Then, raise your hand during a class to interrupt your teachers. If we want to say something means first we have to raise our hand. Then only we have to start talking. Okay, then next. Never speak disrespectfully to any school authority. With the school authority members, we should not talk with disrespectful. We have to talk with a respectful. Okay, then. Don't get up or move around during a lecture. Teacher is explaining means that time we have to listen carefully. We should not stand, we should not move, we should not change our places. Okay, we should not do like that. We have to focus and we have to concentrate. Next, don't sleep at your desk. We should not sleep in the classroom, in the desk. While teacher is there or teacher is not there, we should not sleep. Okay, next. Pay attention to what the teacher is saying. We have to listen. We have to make attention what teacher is telling, what she is telling. We have to listen carefully. Okay, children. Up to page number 28, I explained. Remaining thing I will send in the next link. Okay, children. Listen this link carefully. Watch the link carefully. From this link, in the online class, I will ask questions. Okay. Thank you. Bye.